This guided meditation is designed to activate your self-healing powers and help you achieve greater well-being and better health. Sit upright on a chair or in an armchair. You can also do the meditation lying down in bed if you prefer, or if you are not feeling well and want to gather new strength and harmonizing energy to activate your self-healing powers. Make sure you won't be disturbed for the next 20 minutes. Now, briefly tense all the muscles in your body and relax them again. Breathe in deeply. Hold your breath for a short moment and breathe out. Now gently close your eyes. You can now devote yourself completely relaxed to this guided self-healing meditation. Nothing else is important. In your mind's eye, you can see how the room you are in is flooded with a warm golden light. You may feel a slight pleasant tingling sensation or an inviting healing atmosphere. As the light slowly fades again, you are standing on a rocky outcrop of a high mountain. You feel the refreshing wind blowing gently in your face, and at the same time you notice the solid rocky ground beneath your feet. It is early morning, just before sunrise. Your gaze is directed towards the east, and you can see a golden reddish glow on the horizon. The radiance of the light takes hold of your mind, and you feel a pleasant feeling welling up inside you, and a comforting wave of welcome well-being flows through you. It is as if a part of the light and the graceful scenery is already filling your mind, soul, and body. A light breeze of wind caresses you, and you feel wonderfully refreshed. The morning sun slowly rises above the horizon. More and more of its warming and magnificent appearance becomes visible in an immense play of colors. You are so fascinated and moved by this natural spectacle that it seems as if you are deeply connected to the morning light and the clearing east wind in a curious way. And yes, you are indeed, because there is an immense potential of deep-rooted wisdom in your soul that is being touched and awakened. You also perceive a feeling of love. As the sun has risen a little higher and is now resplendent in its full size on the horizon, it seems to you as if a ray of light is emanating from the sun and wants to reach you. After only a short while, it is certain. Yes, a ray of sunlight gently touches you and envelopes you in its warm, comforting energy. Take a moment to fully feel this moment in time and enjoy it. The light also feels alive to you. It leaves a pleasant light tingling in all the fibers of your being. And then you hear a gentle but powerful voice on the wind. Greetings, O seeker of the mysteries of spiritual healing. I am Raphael. I am the healer of God, and the Almighty heals through me. An angelic figure interwoven with the golden light appears near you. You feel awe, but also joy, curiosity, and hope. Greet Raphael in your own words. You can also tell him why you have come and what healing you want from him. Know that healing and harmony begin first and foremost within yourself. My presence and the golden light are like a seed that can constantly grow within you if you nurture it and care for it in the right way. You listen to his words and sense that they contain a deep wisdom that you may not yet be able to fully grasp. The Archangel's words seem to you like a positive affirmation that already contains the seed and the path to self-healing. Take a moment to reflect on what this advice may mean for you in your situation. While you have been thinking about this, and your consciousness slowly returns to the airy and rocky landscape, you notice that the sun is now high in the sky in a southerly direction, and its light and warmth are shining down on you with full force. You are once again filled with a pleasant tingling sensation in the comforting and light-filled atmosphere. You are completely filled with this powerful, healing energy. It is as if everything falls into place, and you can simply enjoy this thoroughly harmonizing healing power and this wonderful moment. It gives you courage and self-confidence. A strong will of lively health grows within you, and with every fresh breath, you absorb more and more of this healing energy. You hear Raphael's voice again. Know that the seed that was planted has grown into a handsome young plant. It has many strong shoots and blossoms in colorful colors. Enjoy the sight of it and realize that there is a deep-rooted potential for healing and confidence within you that is ready to unfold. You listen to his words and sense that there is great power in them, which may not yet be fully accessible to you. Raphael's words seem to you like a positive affirmation that already carries within it the possibility of self-healing. Take a moment to think about what these words might mean to you in your situation. While you have been reflecting on this, your consciousness can now slowly return to the rocky and airy place, and you notice that the sun is now in the west and is already slowly setting. An impressive play of colors emerges in the evening sky. Fascinated, you watch this natural spectacle and notice how you are touched and gently permeated by the warm tints of the setting sun. Once again you feel this pleasant tingling in all the fibers of your being, and a deep inner certainty spreads within you that you have gained a real, perhaps still partially unconscious insight into the healing potential that exists within you. The feeling of healing realization can spread within you all by itself, that the impulses of this meditation and presence of Raphael, the healer of God, have brought you very close to understanding your spiritual, self-healing powers. Again, you hear the voice of the Archangel. Know that you are now reaping the fruits that will enable you to bring your spirit, your soul, and your body back into perfect balance. The seed that was planted and nurtured in the right way has sprouted and become a strong plant that is now giving you a rich harvest. Realize that deeply rooted within yourself is the ability to connect with and utilize the inexhaustible divine potential. All you have to do is open yourself to it and learn to do so. You listen to Raphael's words and sense that they contain a comprehensive understanding of how to learn, experience, and apply the art of spiritual healing. His words seem to you like a positive affirmation of self-love that already contains the secret of self-healing. Take a moment to reflect on what these words may mean for you in your situation. While you have turned inwards and your consciousness is now slowly returning to the special place where you are during this meditation, you notice that the sun has already set. You look to the north, where the sun is now on the other side of the globe, and the intuitive certainty grows within you that its light is now shining in other places for other people who need its healing treatment. You also sense that the positive result of your meditation experience has manifested deep within you. You can always fall back on it, and you realize that each time you do this meditation again, it can establish itself and grow and take effect more and more constantly. You hear Raphael's voice again, but now you can sense it deep inside you. Know that something of me may remain within you. Just as the light of the sun is only hidden in the night, my healing potential is now deeply rooted within you. You can go to the source of this spiritual power at any time and draw from it when you need it. Know also that there are other people who are walking the path of spiritual healing and who are ready to guide you on this path and accompany you if you wish. Be well. I bid you farewell and wish you refuah, healing. Yes, you feel as if a part of the seed you have received today and the fruits of self-healing that have grown from it are already manifesting in your whole being. And you sense that you have taken a step towards greater harmony and well-being. Raphael's words seem like a positive affirmation that can open up a whole new dimension of spiritual healing for you. Take a moment to reflect on what these words mean to you and what deep contentment, harmony, and healthful certainty they can elicit within you. When you have contemplated this for a few moments, and the effect of this meditation can all by itself connect even more deeply and intensely with your whole being and affect you positively, you notice that a golden, pleasant light actually begins to spread more and more in your inner being. It permeates you and your aura and surrounds you with its healing and protective effect. The light also suffuses the environment around you. You feel its energizing effect. Then the light around you slowly fades away, allowing it all by itself to concentrate even more within you, so that only the harmonizing and healing power remains. You can now, at your own pace, gently become aware of your body and your surroundings again, and you sense the place where you are sitting or lying. You are back in the place where you started this meditation. Now, slowly open your eyes. Even when this meditation is finished, its deep inner power can now accompany you in your self-healing and in everyday life, because you already carry its positive effect within you, which can unfold more and more all by itself. You can also repeat this meditation at any time. Take a sip of water or tea, or eat a snack to completely ground yourself again. It's also a good idea to make notes about your experiences, feelings, and insights so that they don't get lost. You can also leave us a comment about it here. We hope you can enjoy the full potential of this special self-healing journey. If you would like to discuss this meditation or share your experiences, you can do so in our open Raphael forum. If you would like to find out more, take a look at the other links in the video description. Stay up to date with our newsletter. We wish you good health, harmony and confidence at all times. Refuah.